Best online business ideas for beginners. If that is what you're looking for, then you're at the right place. So in this video, I'll be telling you the top 3 business models with which you can get started with even if you have no prior experience. And in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So it is good that you decided to start an online business for yourself. But let me give you one tip. If you are starting an online business, do not just think that you are going to become a millionaire overnight. If you come with that mindset, I'm sorry, do not watch this video and go watch something else, because that is not going to happen. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight with online businesses. You have to put in the work consistently over a period of time, build that business for yourself, and then you will be able to make the consistent online income. So it's just like offline businesses. You open a shop, you cannot expect that on the very first day you're going to make thousands of dollars from that shop. No. Similarly, with online businesses, you have to open up your shop and you have to show up on your shop, you have to work on it, and then you will start getting results. So I'll be telling you the top 3 business models which I highly recommend you to get started with, because those models, I've personally tried them and those are working for me. So I'll not suggest anything which I do not try myself. So the number 1 business model which I'll suggest you to go ahead with is known as affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a concept of promoting other people products and make commissions for every sale which you're going to make. So there are 2 main ways that most people do affiliate marketing with. First, by promoting digital products, and those digital products are training courses, membership sites, video series, ebooks. So with these digital products, you can get up to a 50%, sometimes 60% of a commission depending on the product. So that is the one thing, is by promoting digital products. And the second way to do affiliate marketing is to promote physical products, and by physical products you can promote products from Amazon by signing up to their Amazon affiliate program and become their partner, and then you can promote the products. So these are the 2 ways in affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've done a complete series on affiliate marketing. I'll give a link to that series in the description down below, and you can just check that series out, where you will find more information, more in-depth information about affiliate marketing and how you can do that. The second business model which I would love to talk about is creating your own digital product, your own digital asset, and that could be a training, it could be some tips, it could be a full-fledged course on something. So for that you need to have some skills, some basic understanding of a particular topic. Let's say you want to create a course on Facebook marketing, then you should have some understanding of Facebook marketing. You should have done Facebook marketing. Similarly, you can create courses on any topic, be it like health and fitness, where you can create a course on showing people how they can lose weight without doing exercise or something like that. And there are different platforms where you can host your courses. The one platform which I use is known as Warrior Plus, where I've created digital products and I've hosted them and made some sales as well. And it's not that difficult to create an online course or a digital product for yourself. You just have to lay down the steps for a particular topic. Just divide them into videos, just create those videos and put them even on a WordPress blog or a membership site, something you can use like ClickFunnels or other membership site tools. And you can just launch your digital product, and you can then keep on launching these digital products. And the whole idea about launching the products is that those products should help out people. Those products should not be just out there for you to make money. Each and every digital product should be solving a particular problem for people who are going to use them. So if you have that thing in mind, if you go with that approach, then you're going to be successful in that business. The third business model which I suggest anyone to get started with is by becoming an YouTuber. Yes, you're watching YouTube, I'm doing videos on YouTube. So yeah, you can call me a YouTuber, but it doesn't matter that you also have to do these similar videos on YouTube. You could do anything on YouTube. You could do vlogging, you could do travel videos, you could do some tips, you could share your journey, you can share your life. So there is a lot of people who are doing videos these days, because due to the current situation, people are at home and they're consuming a lot of videos. So the more content you can put out to people, you can see what you are good at, what hobby you have. Like if you have some skill, then you can just share that skill with people on YouTube and become the YouTuber. Once you start posting videos on YouTube, you can promote different products around your area of expertise. You can promote your own products, or you can promote products as an affiliate. So the possibilities are endless. So in this video, I just wanted to give you these overview of the three business models which you can get started with, even if you are a beginner or if you have tried so many things but you haven't got success. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you want to know more about my number one business model method, then the link to that will be in the description down below. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.